UK's new Asylum Overhaul. What the latest changes mean for migrants. The UK government is implementing a major overhaul of its asylum and immigration framework as public concern grows over rising migrant numbers and illegal channel crossings. The reforms aim to tighten the interpretation of human rights laws, extend settlement timelines and strengthen removal processes. The full version of this update is available on our website, link mentioned in the description below. In today's update, we break down the rising public pressure and political influence shaping the UK's approach to immigration and asylum, including the newly proposed 20-year settlement requirement for refugees and key shifts in how human rights laws, particularly Article 8 and Article 3, are being interpreted in decision-making. We also highlight the government's plans to impose visa bans on countries that refuse to cooperate on deportations, the latest trends in asylum claims and legal migration figures, and the growing concerns voiced by lawyers, charities and human rights groups over the long-term impact of these policies. Let's begin with rising public pressure and political influence. Immigration has become one of the top concerns among UK voters, with small boat arrivals becoming the most visible representation of illegal migration reform. UK, led by Nigel Farage, has gained strong polling momentum by criticising the government's approach. The Labour government faces significant pressure to tighten the system while balancing humanitarian commitments. Let's move on to the 20-year settlement requirement for refugees. Home Secretary Shabana Mahmood announced that refugees will now need to wait 20 years, a fourfold increase, before becoming eligible for permanent settlement. This marks one of the most significant asylum policy shifts in recent decades. Next, let's look at human rights law interpretation changes, Article 8 and Article 3. The government plans to redefine key human rights protections. Article 8, right to family life, which is limited strictly to immediate family members to prevent misuse of extended or distant ties, is being considered alongside Article 3, protection from inhuman treatment, for which a review has been proposed to reassess how broadly inhuman or degrading treatment is currently interpreted, something officials argue makes deportations too easy to challenge. After that, let's discuss visa bans on non-compliant countries. Countries such as Angola, Namibia and the DRC may face visa restrictions if they refuse to accept the return of illegal migrants and criminals. The government also promises a hard-headed approach to removals, including for families refused asylum. Then let's explore asylum claim trends and legal migration figures. The UK recorded 109,343 asylum claims in the year to March, up 17%. However, legal migration remains the major contributor to population growth, with net migration peaking at 906,000 in 2023 before falling to 431,000 in 2024 due to stricter controls. Finally, let's conclude with today's conclusion. The UK's sweeping asylum reforms reflect the government's push to reduce abuse of the system, respond to political pressure and regain public confidence. As debates intensify among lawmakers, charities and advocacy groups, these changes will significantly shape the future of UK immigration. Visit our website for the full detailed analysis. Our video ends here. Thanks for watching and don't forget to comment below and share your opinion with us. See you in the next one.